Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Art Presets. In this video, I will show you how to edit 𝗬𝗵𝗶𝗀 premium filters using Lightroom Mobile. Here are our example photos before and after using this filter. These presets can be downloaded via the link in the description below. But DNG file is protected by a password. The password will appear in the upper right corner as a card eye button. Watch this tutorial in your YouTube app to get the password. Let's get started. Click on Light. Exposure -0.31. Contrast 41. Highlights -22. Shadows 14. Whites -34. Blacks 33. Then click on Color. Temperature 23. Tint 22. Vibrance -6. Saturation -7. Then click on Mix and follow me carefully. Orange. Saturation -16. Luminance 9. Yellow. Hue -100. Saturation -50. Green. Hue -80. Saturation -69. Aqua. Saturation -95. Blue. Hue -83. Saturation -62. Purple. Saturation -64. Luminance 42. Magenta. Saturation -77. OK, done. Then click on Effects. Texture 24. Dehaze 2. Vignette -9. Then click on Detail. Sharpening 10. Noise reduction 16. Contrast 9. Color noise reduction 7. Our photo editing has finally been completed in Lightroom Mobile. I hope you like this video. Please share my video with your friends and family and click the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Art Presets. Also click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos update.